Hello, artists. Kamran here, ready for a charming drawing challenge. Grab your tools and let's sketch a delightful mongoose together. Start with a sleek, elongated body for the mongoose. Add a smaller circle on top for the head. Mongooses are known for their agility, so sketch a dynamic pose with a curved body. Capture their alert nature with expressive eyes, two small circles, and a focused snout. Moving on to the legs, draw four short, sturdy lines with small paws at the bottom. Mongooses often have a long tail, so add a graceful tail extending from the back. Now, let's infuse some personality into your mongoose, details like ears, fur texture, and any distinctive markings you'd like. Feel free to experiment with colors. Mongooses come in various shades, so let your creativity shine. Whether you opt for earthy tones or vibrant colors, make your mongoose uniquely captivating. Share your adorable mongoose drawings in the comments. I'm eager to see your artistic interpretations. If you enjoyed this quick artistic challenge, consider subscribing for more drawing inspiration. Keep those creative juices flowing, and I'm excited to witness the imaginative wonders you'll craft with your mongoose drawings. Until next time, happy drawing!